That bolt I was telling you guys about yesterday. They're all rusted, all 6 of them, they're all rusted to shit. Here is a fancy tool that will let me size it. It's got threads on both sides, and I can basically thread this bolt into one of these to figure out which one works. Here in this case, I could see it threads into the M6 one. The next thing I need is the length, and that's where pretty much any pair of calipers comes in handy. In this case, because I'm not engineering, it doesn't have to be precise, but we can see that it's 16 millimeter from underneath the head to the end of the bolt. This means I can go down to Ace Hardware, tell them I need a socket head bolt, socket cap bolt, hex, M6x1 with a 16 millimeter length, and that's how I'm going to replace those bolts.